Okay, so I just came across this Agents.md format designed for guiding coding agents. It's like a README specifically for AI, right?
Yeah, exactly. It provides context and instructions to help AI coding agents navigate projects. It's pretty neat, honestly.
But doesn't that imply the agents need specific guidance? I mean, can't they just figure things out on their own?
That's a good point. But think about it, coding environments can be complex. Having a structured guide can really help avoid confusion.
True, but it also raises a question. How much autonomy do we want to give these agents? If they rely on guides, does that limit their learning?
It could, but it also sets them up for success. It's about finding a balance between guidance and independence, right?
Right, so how does one actually use this Agents.md? I saw a sample file, but what's the first step?
Well, the first thing is installing dependencies. It's like any other coding project. Really, set up your environment and get going.
Got it, and then you start the server. Is that straightforward?
Super straightforward. Just run a command and you open your browser to a local URL. It's pretty user-friendly.
That's refreshing. There's something cool about a web app that simplifies these processes. What are some examples they showcase?
They feature examples that demonstrate how the agents can perform tasks using the provided guidelines. It's like seeing theory in action.
Oh, wait, that's interesting. It's like bridging the gap between learning and application. Does that mean they're more effective?
Potentially, it could lead to better outcomes because the agents are learning through practical examples instead of just reading.
But does that approach assume all agents learn the same way? I wonder if different agents would benefit from varied guidance.
That's a valid concern. Agents might have different learning curves or preferences, so a one-size-fits-all method might not be the best.
Exactly, and how about testing? I saw that there are specific instructions for running tests. Does that complicate things?
Not really. It's outlined simply, and the commands are easy to follow. It helps maintain quality in the code being developed.
That's a relief, so this whole framework seems to emphasize testing as a priority, which makes sense.
Definitely, testing is crucial to ensure everything works smoothly. It prevents bugs from sneaking in later.
But what happens if a test fails? Doesn't that create extra stress for the development process?
It can, but it's also a learning opportunity. Failing tests can lead to better understanding and ultimately stronger code.
True, but does that mean developers might become overly reliant on tests?
That's an interesting perspective. While tests are helpful, developers still need to understand the code deeply.
Right, so if we put all this together, agents, MD seems like a useful tool, but with limitations that should be acknowledged.
Exactly. It's not a magic bullet. It's a framework that needs to be adapted to different agents and scenarios.
I love that. This really challenges my view on how we guide AI. So are we saying that autonomy is still essential?
Yes, it's all about balance. Agents should have enough freedom to innovate while also having support when needed.
And it sounds like agents, MD can foster that balance provided it's implemented thoughtfully. That's quite powerful.
Totally. It's a step in the right direction for making AI coding more structured yet flexible.
So do you think we're going to see more formats like this in the future?
I wouldn't be surprised. As AI evolves, the methods we use to guide them will likely need to evolve too.
That's really thought-provoking. I wonder how this will influence AI's role in development moving forward.
It could lead to more collaborative environments where humans and AI enhance each other's strengths.
Oh wow, that's a great vision. It emphasizes partnership rather than replacement, which is crucial.
Exactly. And it's really exciting to think about how we might work alongside more capable agents.
Totally, so what's our takeaway here, agents? MD is just one piece of a larger puzzle.
Yes, it exemplifies how we need structured approaches without stifling creativity and adaptability in AI.
And with that balance, who knows what innovations we might unleash? This really opens the door for future possibilities.
Absolutely. The journey of AI development is just beginning, and agents, MD could be a stepping stone.
I can't wait to see where this leads us. It's thrilling to think about how this will shape the tech landscape.
Me too, and it leaves us with a big question. How do we best prepare for these advancements in AI?
That's something to ponder. I think ongoing dialogue and adaptation will be key as we progress.
Definitely. It's a collaborative effort that requires constant learning from both sides.
And it all starts with conversations like this one. I'm excited to keep exploring these ideas together.